Take the elevator of Kafko Yunjing Plaza to the 21st floor. As you turn right, you've entered into the world of Spectrum, where innovation begins. Serving as the headquarters of Spectrum, this space is where our dedicated members from the sales, support, and marketing teams come together. They have delivered hundreds of outstanding and creative solutions to clients across the globe, including the US, South America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Every project is a journey of creativity and excellence, driven by our expertise and passion. Leveraging sophisticated engineering capabilities, we materialize clients' ideas with unmatched technical agility. Now turn the site to the R&D Center and also the Factory of Spectrum in Huizhou's CIMC Industrial Zone. The modern 8,000 square meter independent center is equipped with advanced and highly efficient production facilities. Each of our staffs is dedicated to guaranteeing product quality and persistence. From module production to assembly, and ultimately to aging before shipment. Every step in the process undergoes rigorous quality control. With professional technology and experience, Spectrum creates various extraordinary projects to our dear clients. Throughout Spectrum's project journey, Spectrum's footprint pervades globally. Each project showcases our technical strength and service level. We deeply understand that every illumination is a remarkable presentation of our technology and quality. Therefore, choosing Spectrum means choosing a commitment to endless innovation and relentless pursuit of quality. Try it now